You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer.
Hi there, it's Victor here once again. In today's video we're going to be looking at the question, why do most traders, especially the gurus out there, why do they not show, or why do they hide, why do they not show, why are they not confident enough to show their trading accounts, to show their track record? This whole forex business and this whole forex game, when you start out, a lot of these marketers, a lot of these fake gurus make it look like it is so easy, and when they make it look like it's so easy, and when you come into the business and you start off and you start facing the realities, you begin to ask yourself, you begin to get confused, like, this is not what I was told, this is not what I was expecting. And so the way forex business and forex trading is sold to the new guys that are coming in, or to those who have not understood the business, it's as if it's just a walk in the park. And so when I started experiencing these difficulties, I wasn't even expecting that trading was going to be hard. But the reality dawned on me. It became hard, and I began to ask myself questions. I was confused basically. But after many years, I came to realize that there's actually nothing wrong with me. There's not actually nothing wrong with my mental abilities. But there was actually something wrong with the way forex trading is portrayed to us. They make it look as if it's so easy. And then when you get in there and you're not able to get the same results they get, then you begin to feel like you are doing something very, very wrong and all of that. But the truth of the matter is that most of these fake gurus, I call them fake gurus, so as long as you are not showing your track record, as long as you cannot show us your trading performance, I call you a fake guru. And so many times I've tried to trade, show my account in public, it goes bad, I start all over again and all of that. So there's a lot of lies out there, there's a lot of wrong information, there's a lot of manipulation out there. And so the truth of the matter is, like I always say, only someone who is getting results in the business of trading or in any business whatsoever can show you how to get it right. So stop looking for any super strategies out there, stop looking for any holy grail. All you need to do is get down to work, get a strategy. Probably you've developed your own strategy, or you get a strategy from somebody who is already making it in the business, and you get to work. There are no shortcuts. But of course a mentor can help you cut short your learning curve from years to months. So don't get distracted by shiny objects out there. You will see a lot of guys talk about how they are professional traders, how they are they're making so much money, but they do not show, they do not show their track record. Most times they are making money from selling courses, making money from selling books, making commissions from different places. I also make money from training. I also make money from selling courses. I make commissions from different activities, but I make sure that I show that I have the right and the authority to train, to teach, to mentor and all that by showing my track record. So come with me to my screen. So this is, I trade on the FXTM platform. For a year now. I've been with FXTM for about a year and a half. So this is my public link. This is called Euro USD Ranger. This has been open for 233 days. 72% return on investment. Risk level is 2, so the lowest is 1, the highest is 5. 17 followers, and then assets under management, not not many investors yet, but that's the essence of us trying to build your track record. When you build your track record, millions of dollars will follow you without blinking. Okay, so we look down, we look at the equity curve. That's what the equity curve looks like. We look at the monthly performance. Okay, still very, very reasonable, fair. Okay, the lowest, okay, we'll look at the drawdown. This 23% for the month of August. The last 3 months were up and down, and then April was 13%, March was 9% thereabout, February was 1%, January was 16%. Okay, now, so if you remember in my videos, I talked about how most traders cannot even maintain an account for 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 days. They blow the account. Okay, but if you want to enjoy the game, if you want to be seen as an authority, okay, if you want to be seen as an authority in the industry, then you have to be able to trade your account, you know, month on month, month in, month out, you know, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you know, that's the whole idea. And when you are able to achieve that, then you begin to experience open doors from different dimensions. Okay, I know how many offers I've gotten today alone. I've gotten three major offers. Okay, 3 major offers I've gotten today. Okay, and I don't have to spend a dime. It's just opportunities for me to make more money, just because, okay, I have certain skills, one of which is being able to trade the financial market. All right, so let's look at the stats. Okay, so today's return minus 0.90, very little. For the week, minus 0.02, very little. And then you look to the right, you see the maximum drawdown is 20.323%. I think that's very, very, very reasonable. That's so reasonable. Okay, and so I personally, as a professional trader, before I think of the reward, before you think of the reward, okay, think of the risk. Okay, so you want to protect your capital. You don't want your account going down negative 50%, you know. No, you want, even if it's going to go down, but don't let it go down huge before coming back up. And that's the basic idea. Okay, total trading days, we can leave that, blah blah blah. So average daily win 1.77%, average daily loss minus 1.14%. okay, so I'm probably going to use this to do the video of how to trade like a casino, because we're going to do some calculations there. Okay, then 1 month, in the last 1 month we've made 23%, in the last 3 months 21%, in the last 6 months about 42%. So in the last 7 to 8 months we've made 72%, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, and my profit share is 30%. So every time I make a profit for any of my clients, I take 30% of that profit. And that is why I always say capital is never a problem in the forex business. Even if you have only $100, $200 in your account, if you can turn that $200 to $400 in 1 year, okay, doors are going to open up for you. But the problem that we have with, you know, traders is that they try to make $1,000 from $200 in a month or in 2 months, and they will keep, there is no magic, you will keep blowing your account. Okay, you might get lucky and turn your $200 to $1,000 in a month, but I can't guarantee you that you're going to lose that money, except you withdraw your profits and quit trading. Okay, but the market is definitely going to take it back, simply because you're not applying any form of risk management. Even if you want to be aggressive, okay, there are ways to go about being aggressive in the market. All right, so let me show you one of my this particular account. This particular account is what we have here on the MetaTrader 4. Okay, so you can see this is the live account. All right, the live account, that's $1,000. So I have 2 types of accounts. Okay, I have an account I don't joke with, which is this, all right, that's about $4,000 there. Okay, and then I have another account with the smaller smaller fund. Now the $1,000 is what we have here on this account. So 33 days, which is about 7 to 8 months right now. Okay, and then this one here, this one is fresh, just about 12 days open. Okay, so the $1,000 account is where I go aggressive. Okay, I go aggressive on $1,000. I'm taking higher risk. Okay, but of course higher risk, I'm going for higher reward, but I'm also accepting higher risk, so I'm willing to take a higher risk. So get the wisdom here. Okay, trading is not just about putting money, it's all about risk management. Okay, so I've kept aside $4,000 in another account. Okay, and for me that $4,000 I cannot afford to lose it for any reason. So you can see I'm trading the same lot size as I'm trading on a 1,000. It's the same lot size I'm trading on a 4,000, meaning that the 4,000 is really very, very conservative, meaning in a year I'm probably going for 20 to 30% profit for the whole year. Okay, 20 to 30% profit for the whole year. And some of you might say, yeah, that's too small. That's fine, but that's the difference. That's the reason why I am the trainer. Okay, and that's the reason why you are part of those who are blowing accounts. Okay, and so where I go more aggressive is on the $1,000 account. Okay, I go more aggressive. I'm willing to take, $100 loss, $200 loss, and all of that. Okay, why? Because I'm going aggressive, because on the investment platform, the more you perform well, the more investors you get and the more commissions you get to make. So that is my own strategy. Okay, I put just $1,000 and I will compound it. I don't withdraw the profit. Compound it, keep compounding it. Even if I'm aggressive, I'm not recklessly aggressive in such a way that you're going to lose 50% of the account in one day. Maybe 3%, maybe 5%, maybe 10%, but certainly not 50. 10% is even too high, maybe 5%. Okay, because I'm being aggressive there. But you observe that I have just $1,000 there. For me, that is small fund. Okay, but so on this $1,000 account, I'm aiming to make at least somewhere around 100% for the year. So double the account in 1 year. Okay, investors on the FXTM platform are very, very okay if you can double your capital in 1 year. Some people do some crazy return on investment, but I'm not attracted, or I'm not going to pressure myself to achieve spectacular returns. 100% a year on the aggressive is okay for me, and I know that if I can achieve 100% a year, if you can achieve 100% a year, you can get access to $500,000, $1 million, of investors fund with zero risk on you. Okay, so the $1,000 account is where I take the higher risk, and that's what you see here on the Euro USD Ranger. Been trading that for over 7 months now, and that's what we have here. So up and down. So I have some trades in profit, some trades in profit, some trades in loss. It's part of the game, it's part of the business. You always have profits and loss. So I'm more of a swing trader, so we'll wait for our exits, either stop loss or manual exit, take profit, or exit in profit or exit in a loss. Okay, so this is the 4K account. You can see the loss is just $12. It's not even up to 1%. Okay, it's not even up to 1%. I'm super conservative. Okay, so you would never see me take $100,000 or $10,000, put on an account, and I'm trading very, very large lot sizes. As you can see, I'm trading 0.01, 0.02 max, 0.02, 0.04 max. Okay, and so that's basically my track record. So the $4,000 account is this 1 year. On this, I'm just aiming for maybe 20-30% for the year, while on this, I'm aiming on the aggressive, I'm aiming for 100% a year, either 30% a year, either 100% a year. Okay, if you can achieve that, you're going to get access to a lot of open doors in terms of investors, mentoring opportunities, training opportunities, and all of that. Okay, but guess what? Most traders, check most of the so-called gurus on YouTube or wherever, okay, even around you, ask them for their live trading performance. Maybe my FX book or a broker performance like this, you hear stories. Okay, you will hear a lot of stories. They will never let you see that they are not making profit, because if they let you see that they are not making a profit, then they lose their authority to take money from you. Okay, so I'm out on, I'm not at home, I'm out on a business trip. So but whatever the case, my equipment always go with me wherever I go. Okay, so that's the beauty of the business. As long as you have your laptop and your internet connection and your phone, my business is up and running. So I'm not location dependent. So wherever I am, as long as there's a laptop and an internet connection, okay, I can trade, I can do analysis, I can train, I can do whatever I need to do. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. You know, if you've learned something new, I dropped a little bit nuggets here and there. Okay, if you've learned something new, give us a thumbs up, click the thumbs up button. Okay, if this is your first time watching any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. Okay, click the bell to the right of the subscribe button, click all notifications so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, what I've just done now, okay, no one shows this. Okay, no one shows this, nobody shows this. Okay, but I go out of my way, you know, to show it, so that at least you know that I have some level of experience and authority to actually train you and show you, you know, how you can progress, how you can grow big, even grow bigger than me in the industry. Like I said before, I've gotten about 3 or 4 offers today, between yesterday and today alone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. The feedback has been amazing. The feedback has been absolutely amazing. Okay, let me know what you think about my trading performance in the comment section, and also let me know your experiences in the journey of trading. How has it been? Is it rough? Has it been smooth? Has it been rough? You know, but I'll leave you with just one word. If you can turn $100 or $200, right, to $400 in 1 year, doors are going to open up for you. Okay, so never feel under pressure to overperform. Okay, all you need to do is do just a little bit of performance, and you would see another side of the business. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful evening. Cheers.